What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, me and the boys right here, or one boy right there, the rest of the guys are inside. But yeah, today we're gonna be going to a car meet or something like that. We didn't really have anything planned, but this popped up and we don't really ever go to car meets or anything like that, so we decided to go. And Greg's car needed a wash, so Narek's gonna wash his car real quick. George is gonna be going with us too, with his little salvage title E36 M3.
I'm going home.
But yeah, Narek's gonna get Greg's car washed up real quick because it is freaking filthy. This guy doesn't even wash his car for months and months, right, Nod? Look at that. Look how dirty this shit is. For those who don't know, Greg's car is actually yeah, it's slow as shit. That's actually what I was gonna get to now. It's probably one of the slowest F80s ever in the world. This thing runs like 15s in a quarter mile. Where's Greg anyway? I need to talk shit right to his face so he can say something. But no, I'm just kidding. This car makes like 800 horsepower, more like 7 to 750 wheel. If you guys haven't seen like the old videos on this, make sure you guys go check that out. It's gonna be on my channel. I did like a full like build video on his car as well in like 15 minutes or whatever the hell it was. So make sure you guys go check that out. But yeah, it's a cool little car, even though he doesn't even drive it like that or push it like that or anything. He recently just got these wheels, the new Apexes. Got some thick boy tires in the back. I don't know what they are. I think they're 305s or 315s. They're like street slicks. Ah!
That must have hurt.
Fucking piece of shit.
Just rub it out, bro.
Is that what you do?
Of course you'll say that.
I'm gonna wait for Greg to come out so I can start making fun of him because I don't like him.
Why don't you like Greg, Todd? Here's the mic.
Because he's a big nose. By the way, guys, don't buy no Ryobi shit, please.
Unless it's electric.
No,
I mean,
this is
gas.
electric.
Sorry. I mean gas.
Unless it's gas. This shit is garbage.
Might as well slap a BMW logo on it.
This damn pressure washer isn't building up enough pressure so it can create like really good foam, but we still got it to work a little bit. While he does that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab myself a quick little Red Bull Peach Edition. It's pretty good. Just let it air dry, especially Greg's car. To be honest, I wouldn't even dry it.
Don't you just leave it like this?
Just leave it exactly like this. This is probably in better shape than it was before. There he is, the bitch of the hour.
There was a witch.
The Wicked Witch of the West.
Grow up, man.
I was just telling them how this car makes like 250 wheel horsepower and it does 15 seconds in the quarter mile. Only because of the driver though. It definitely needs a driver mod.
Oh, shit. Was that POV?
My name is Giovanni Giorgio, but everybody calls me Giorgio. Guys, this is the high society right here.
Very high.
Very high society. As long as you have a camera,
The cameraman never dies.
you just sit back and watch. Alright, these fools just got done washing Greg's F80. Now it's finally all clean. That thing's not going to be washed for another few months. Narek's going to be bringing his E92 M3. George is going to be bringing his piece of shit. I'm going to take my F80, and then obviously Greg's going to take his piece of shit F80. So,
Did you hear me just say that right now?
what'd you say?
I said piece of shit F80.
Piece of shit F80?
Yeah, you said it right after. Double seatbelt on a Sunday night.
Gotta close up the shop. Now we're all gonna head to the meet. We got the lineup right there. Got my F80, Narek's E92, Greg's F80, and then George's red E36 M3. Just a little baby pop for you guys. And then Greg's behind me popping as well. And Naudex M3 looking all clean as usual. That thing definitely needs an exhaust. Woo! That shit's so loud. By the way, guys, it is so freaking hard to record and drive a manual car at the same time. This thing doesn't even want to focus anymore. Hopefully this meet is kind of packed. I hate going to meets where there's not a lot of cars or anything like that, but I'm gonna try to get as much content for you guys as possible. This fool's listening to nothing. You're listening to static on the radio.
How you know about that, huh?
I don't know, but you need to fix those side skirts, bruh.
Why I gotta do you like that, bro?
I always gotta do you like that.
You like the sound of my clutch?
See if there's even any cars. It looks like a somewhat of a good turnout. Alright guys, we went ahead and parked up. Now let's walk around and see if there's any dope cars. It's a pretty decent turnout.
Yeah, a lot of cars.
I guess this is the burger joint right here that's hosting this car meet. We posted up basically in the front right here. By the way guys, today is Sunday night and this is like the main road everyone always does stupid shit on. So hopefully maybe we could catch like a Mustang or two just
Wiping out a crowd.
wiping out a crowd.
Just hitting all these BMWs right here.
Insurance. This is pretty dope. You got a bagged F80. Oh, look at this ugly ass. This is my boy Sam's piece of shit
Hey Sam!
E-Class.
Is that Sam?
What up, people?
Look at this little rat right here.
What's up, baby?
Did you organize this meet?
Yeah.
Wait, was it you? Was it you that did it?
Yeah, these are my meats.
Mark 5. Well, some beadlocks it looks like.
Just like basic.
It's definitely got a pure 800 on it.
Yep.
It's a nice Mark 1. I love this color. I love this car in general actually. It's a few of them. There's 3 Mark 1s. Rose gold. That looks like my iPhone.
Yeah.
You got a dumped E39 right here. Is this static? Is it static, Gregory?
Static.
Definitely static.
Just lowering springs.
That shit's hard.
Check that out. At least 1,000 horsepower.
Cara guiada no golpe. My brother legit did this on a Civic. Shit's f***ing hard, bruh.
Chill, bro. My wife's here.
That's pretty nice. See, I'd rather drive this, to be honest.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is pretty sick, actually. Old turbo diesel on some BBS. I believe these are RCs. That shit's sick.
Someone must car meet our van.
That's sick.
Let's for
All the bolts just loosened a little bit.
Yep. They're having a meeting to see who to hit.
Alright, which crowd should we go for? Wait, what colors are those?
Those are LGBTQ.
Oh my god, is that Alex? Alex?
How are you, princess? Why you smell like a snack?
Why you look like a snack, bro?
My guy's a 5-course meal.
You is not slim thick.
I am.
What part is slim, bro?
It goes slim and then thick.
This is the slimmest thick you're gonna get.
Small waist.
What?
Cute
Small waist, bro. You double my waist. All right, guys, we're gonna be heading out. We're probably gonna go up the road a little bit. Probably find a nice spot to take a couple photos, take a couple videos.
I just want to take some pictures of you. That's all.
Of me?
I had some meat in the fridge. It went bad.
Oh yeah. You wanna? We're gonna watch this movie first.
This movie, Exorcist 3. It's my favorite.
We came to this little underground parking garage, but the lighting kind of sucks in here, so can't really do much.
It's okay,
Why is it so warm?
I'm chilling.
Guys, I just made this quick little video of Nautics car. Let's see how it came out. Oof. That's pretty good.
It's alright.
Damn! Whoa, Cecily! So much powers of the horses. Let's see if it'll pop real quick. Nope. Oh, there it goes. Never mind.